So I'm making this thing in a microwave by battery. My apartment is always set up to run anything by battery on a minute's notice. Get it? I'm kind of weird that way. So let's finish it up. It needs 3 more minutes on high. And let's check the battery, which is powering the thing, which is doing a really good job. It wasn't fully charged when I started. Each of them is down 1 bar. This is a fairly strong loadout for a One Plus. There's 6 6s and 2 12s. That's a respectable amount of power for the Ryobi One Plus system. And it's getting it done, no problem.